are going to do our bike packing trip. We're ready to go right here. I'm ready. It's cold, huh? Here we are. It's cold, but we're here.
Feels like we're in there's a river right now.
Yeah, we are super high up here. All right, we just got here, so we are doing a before video, and we're doing an after video later.
Everyone's excited. Everyone's ready to go. Let's see how we feel in another 4 hours.
Right.
Like 30 minutes.
And here we go. We're rolling.
Finally on our way.
Yep, keep going. It's cold. It's foggy, it's cold. But now I feel like I want to take all of my shirts. It's gonna be a fun weekend for sure. Downhill, can't see far because of the fog. Well, did you see what happened to you? Was he? Let's just.
2 miles. Is it 2 miles? About 2 miles.
Oh, what we just did earlier, about 2 miles? Oh, wow. Ooh, this incline, y'all. Keep talking. We'll forget about the incline.
Yeah, I know.
Downhill, super fast downhill. Woo. Oh, the incline. Satata. Super steep. Fuji, this is not too bad, yeah. It's actually pretty good. Oh yeah. I mean the flow and the up and down, but it's not to the point where you move down like that. Yeah. More campsite. Yeah. What is it?
What are we doing?
Well, look at the sign.
Pretty cool. Yeah, it's a ball with 2 cars up there. Already 2 cars? No campers.
Oh.
Wow.
Who? Oh yeah, Wazzy's gone. He's a workhorse, man.
He got momentum.
Yeah. I think whatever you guys gave him earlier, it worked. All right, we made it to Tennessee's. We're actually on the Tennessee side. Behind me is the Georgia side. So we're at the borderline and we're at this river right here. 20 miles. It took us what, 3 hours? Yeah. It took us 3 hours to get here. It's rough, but we made it here. We're gonna stay here and get some lunch and then we'll head on out and then go find a campsite somewhere. So that's the goal anyway, but yep, we made it here to Tennessee. We're still here at the Georgia-Tennessee border, the campsite at this river right here, but look at the sky. It is windy. It's about to pour. And we're gonna try to head out fast. I just saw a tree went down right over here. So we better hurry up and haul ass and get out of here. Still got a long way to go. All right, we're moving on. We just got some rain and then the storm just passed, but it wasn't that long. So we getting back on the trail and hit the road again. But yeah, we did get some little rain here. Not too bad. It's actually perfect for us. Damn, this incline. It's hot there, steep. can't even paddle anymore. Man, there's no more first, second, or third wind anymore. This incline is, it's killing me. I'm hurting. Whew. Whew. Rest up, dude. Whew. Oh, I gotta rest. Oh. Huh? Mm.
So you just have to think about the next hill is the last hill. There's no more after that.
Right. I've been doing that, but I guess if you don't get off your bike, then it worked. Oh.
Oh, that is the last hill.
Oh. What's up? You gonna go check it out? Yeah. Okay. Which one says closer? I think this side got. I think this side got more rain from earlier. You know what I mean? Hey. Psst. Yeah. Where do you go? Oh, way up there. Over there. Picture. This is good. We're at the campsite, so 31 miles. We did 31 miles today. Oh my goodness.
6 hours and 15 penalty.
That's good timing though. But
So tomorrow will be at least 10.
the MVP is that guy over here, man, with the bass saddle and everything, and he's still kicking our butts.
Oh man.
The MVP right there.
Today is awesome though, but
An adventure, isn't it?
It's great. All right, so we're gonna camp here tonight.
Do what? You gotta use it more often.
Joga supervisor, man. Yeah, we made it to camp. 31 some miles. Rough day, but great start. We'll see how that's gonna.
I think if we started earlier and didn't run to some pictures,
Yeah.
that'd be nice. thing.
Thing? What do you mean? Why is he not ready?
Hopefully you get the bike and be ready to ride.
Oh, the bike. I thought he has a bike.
He has an old diamond bag.
Oh.
He has a real bike. He was looking at the Rocky Mountain, and then the new one came out, and now it's like almost 2,000 more.
I was able to set it up at home.
Yeah.
But
No,
I did
that
it.
stick is too long.
No, it's perfect.
Oh,
Yeah.
it crosses.
Yeah, you cross it over.
Why is that a new tank?
Setting up a tent is tiring.
就摔掉楼梯了呀。
现在呀。
Santana's still
What's he
working.
doing? That's a new tank.
I know, yeah.
摔得好定啊。
Damn, what the heck is this?
That's a spare in case go to Padang.
Oh, but it's bigger than the.
Yeah, it goes over it.
Oh, kind of like a budding.
Yeah.
I'm ready. You go to sleep. Chỉ đâu mò. Chỉ trốn tơ lên. Every time I get an accident, the first thing I do is like I roll up, see if I'm bleeding, and anything hurt. Okay, I'm good, and then I just finish the trail.
Hop back on.
Yeah.
I think got real hard once we made that right turn
Yeah,
from the flatland.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it got brutal there.
Yeah, that was brutal.
It was so fresh.
I know.
And then we were just kind of pedaling all some big.
Damn, turn around. More hill.
Yeah.
Okay. I was looking at a 25-pound bag of rice. It was like $36.
Damn.
I was like, damn, what the heck's going on?
All right, Wazzy, what you cooking?
$15. I'm just having noodle.
Nice. I'm gonna do the same thing.
Seaweed. Anybody want seaweed?
Oh, yeah. You need
Yeah, I'm gonna put seaweed in there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So.
Nice.
Yep. Seaweed.
Nice,
and
nice.
Gonna boil some water.
Yeah, Doyle's doing his noodle over there. You gotta throw in some jerky in there.